just came to say hello.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. So I finished putting the transfers on these cups that I'll be using for Valentine's Day. These transfers are called direct film transfers, or DTFs, and they are printed onto a special transfer sheet that is polyurethane coated, and it is an adhesive. Once these are placed down on the items that you want to put them on, you can pretty much count them as permanent, because if you try to take them off, they may flake apart on you, and they are more permanent than vinyl and last longer. I think these cups turned out great. They do have lids as well as straws that go with them. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.